Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to 6 a.m. Club. I am Dr. Arjun Bopanna and this is NammaKPSC Academy. Okay, so this is day 8 of 6 a.m. Club and what a week we had. Alva, so last week we started 6 a.m. Club and I know for sure that all of you who are watching today have immensely benefited from this initiative. 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು after watching these videos, you have sat and studied for 8 to 10 hours non-stop and you have given test every day, and I am sure that it has helped you. It has made you realize your true potential. And this is not this is not even the beginning. There's so much more that you can achieve. You really don't know your true potential. Just be consistent, just keep working hard every day. Just be focused on your goal. You want to get into government job, you want to become an assistant commissioner, DYSP, Tahsildar. That is your goal and you are going to achieve it if you remain confident, if you remain consistent and you keep studying without any negative thought. You know, there could be days when you would have given up. There would have been days where you felt that these targets are too much. You did not want to get up the next day. It is okay, no problem. These are failures. Don't let your failures define you. Get over it. It's okay. Everybody feels like that. Even I feel like that. Even top leaders, top most successful people also will have bad days. If you have had bad days last week in that 7 days, not a problem at all. We will be covering, many revision classes are there in the future. So if you have missed targets on those days, you can cover those topics. So don't worry at all. Remain positive. Remain positive. Again, I'm telling you, remain positive. Don't get scared. Don't give up just because you had a bad day or 2 days. It's okay. Even if you had the entire week under stress, you were not able to achieve targets, not a problem at all, because you just need 1 day to get that start and then you see magic will happen. Even nanonu ee program start madadaga, I was also very skeptical. KPSC on field day hange. It's very negative. The students are not cooperating. KPSC is not very cooperative. Yaar jote matadidrunu bari negative. Alva, ad serilla, postpone agogutte, corruption ide. If we don't do anything about it, then it's going to be like that only. So if we are able to bring merit into the system by ensuring that people like you who are watching, hardworking aspirants, clear this exam, then automatically, at least to certain extent, the system is going to be meritorious. Alva, let's eliminate all those, black sheeps from the prelims itself. Make sure that the system becomes merit so that everybody who is working hard will be able to enter into service. So I was very skeptical when I started also. I thought, okay, nodana, okay, agatta ilva. See, I believe in this, but the environment was such that, people would, believing that so many 3,000, 4,000 people watching every day, hundreds of people commenting and messaging us. I never thought this will happen. Why did it happen? Why did it happen to me? Because I had a plan. I remained consistent. Okay. And I believe in this principle of merit. I was ethical. I'm doing this to ensure the best out of you come out. Okay. So therefore, it's not going to fail. Okay. There is no chance that it's going to fail. Same thing with you guys also. If you work hard, if you have a plan, if you have targets, if you are consistent, how can you fail? It is not going to happen at all. So believe that. Okay, believe in that, and I am sure you will only realize it one day and you're going to thank me. Okay, don't forget to thank me that one day you're going to realize your true potential and clear this exam. At least in your speech, when you're giving in your school, college, or somewhere, when you give your speech, please tell that, okay, there was this program where I got up every day at 6 o'clock for 45 days and I gave this, I consistently studied. At least have, passing message adruno madi. So that will be an honor to me if this program has benefited you all. Anyway, so last week was amazing. Let's have another amazing week. I am very, very excited. I know we will have an awesome week. Okay, so going ahead, let's recap what all we discussed previously. Okay, so we have finished entire polity twice. Yes, we have studied it part by part on 4 days, and on the 5th day we revised the entire polity. So subject wise, we have finished that. We have finished 2 months magazine. We have finished budget, state budget, as well as union budget. Wonderful, wonderful. In 1 week, we have completed so much. It is really commendable. Give yourself a pat, give yourself a clap. This is something which you have done. Okay, so along with that, we also realized how much we are able to do if we are able to take control of our mind, our brain. Okay, brain plays games. If we are in control of our brain, amazing things can happen. Okay, so here is a picture, just a representative picture of just a small story about me as to how, at one instant I realized my true potential. I used to skate on the road. Okay, I used to practice skating on the road. And one day what happened was a stray dog attacked me. It started to chase me. Okay, seeing that stray dog chase me, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಈವನ್ ಓವರ್ಟುಕ್ ಮೈ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು 5-6 years ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಡೇ ಐ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮೈ ಟ್ರೂ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. Okay, so because I was put in a situation where it was like a do or die situation, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, I was not just me, my parents, my coach, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಅ ಜೋಕ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಬೋಪಣ್ಣನ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ 2-3 ನಾಯಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. I'm sure even you would have had these kind of encounters when you are put in an situation where you have to do it. You have done it. Same thing every day. What we are doing is we are putting ourselves in a situation where we are training ourselves to give our best. Okay, situation where we are trying to push ourselves into an area where we have never been. So you have now started to slowly realize, and I see that ಸುಮಾರು ಜನರು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಬೋದು and all of that. So therefore you have the potential. Keep control of your mind. ಈಗ if you feel that ಒಂದ್ ವಾರ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, your brain might be telling no. If your brain says now, okay, 1 week you have got up every day, okay, 1 week you sleep off. No. Okay, don't let your brain control you. You have to keep control of your brain. You keep pushing yourself to the best of your abilities. Okay, other jotege we also saw how to avoid procrastination. See, it has to be done very systematically. It's not something which can be done out of luck or something. If you develop a very systematic regime of your studies, then you will not be delaying. Naale annod barade illa. Okay, then we also understood, or we also started to plan our studies through study tracker. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕೆಲವು ಜನರು who have done this study tracker have already started getting that extra half an hour or 1 hour every day. Just imagine 1 hour into 40 days, 40 hours extra you are going to get. Alva, 40 hours can help you to get that extra 5-6 marks which prevented you from clearing the exam last time. Also, we are no more afraid of failures. So failure is our best friend. We will learn from our failures. Okay, failure, nobody is immune from failure. Ellarunu have to go through failures. You see the top leaders, they also have failed. I mean, if you see US president kuda no ashte alva. So last election alli Trump lost, and this election he came victorious. So nobody is immune from failures. Okay, so we have to learn. I mean, it's like our best friend. When we fail, we realize our mistakes, we improvise, and we become a better person. So we have realized that we are no more scared of failures. Failures will be, we will look into the eyes of failure and say that you are not going to scare me anymore. Alva. So this is what we have, learned last week. This is what we have done last week. And I hope you have become a better, at least 1% better than what you were before we started this program. Okay. So in this week, let's take this to the next level. Let us start developing a system where we will automatically be able to achieve our targets. We will have these small targets every day so that we will be able to cover the entire syllabus. See, if we see the entire syllabus, all books, it is very scary. So we are breaking down this into smaller targets and we are going to achieve them. Then we will start learning to balance our mind, fear, anger, happiness, ellanu balance madkondo we will become a better person. Okay, and also we will learn several tips or tricks to remain positive in this, especially in this negative environment. Okay, we will try and keep ourselves positive. So this is what we will be doing this week, guys. Exciting week. I have planned the entire week for to have an awesome week so that we can give our best. Not just you, even me. We will make sure that we are the best and make sure that 200 of you who are watching will clear this exam and become tomorrow's AC, tomorrow's DYSP, etc. Because the nation needs you, because our state needs somebody like you to take it to the next level. Alva. So I am very excited, guys. Please tell me in the comment box, in the comment section, how your week has been, the previous week, how it has been, what happened to you, was it successful, what problems did you face? If everything was good, please, take just 10 seconds and shower, some love towards me so that I will be motivated to come back with much more, impactful punch for your exam. Okay, so that is today's motivation, guys. Wonderful week we will have, wonderful week we had, and we will have another productive day today. So let's see today's targets. So we are doing Indian economy, and in Indian economy, we finished with fiscal policy, monetary policy, the financial institutions, etc. So today we will start with external sector. Wonderful, beautiful subject, topic. Okay, external sector, very interesting, very interesting, because what we see, what we read in newspaper and television, in international affairs, etc., all of that is very intriguingly related to external economy of India. Okay, so in external sector, what is external sectors? What are the terms and concepts relating to external sector? Very important, exchange rate system, pegged exchange system, floating market rate. What is all of that? Convertibility, full convertibility, partial convertibility. What is the current status of convertibility in India? Challenges with respect to that. Balance of payment, current account, capital account, balance of payment, disequilibrium. What measures are being taken to address balance of payment in India and all of that. Foreign capital, foreign investments, foreign portfolio investment, foreign direct investments, grants, external borrowings, external commercial borrowings, etc. Okay, then trade and commerce. So the different terms relating to trade and commerce, like dumping and ad valorem taxes, etc. So these kind of terms, etc. And WTO, international organization that regulates international trade, World Trade Organization. So various ministerial conferences, various agreements, agreement on agriculture, GATS, TRIMS, all these agreements, what are its current status, what are the recent developments with respect to WTO, in that several terms like amber box, green box, etc. All these things you have to study, and other miscellaneous international organization like World Bank, IMF, BRICS, G20 and things like that. Especially in this topic, international organization, focus on those organizations which are in news, like BRICS, because BRICS summit, etc. So it was in news. So read about it. Simple questions like when was it, when did it begin, where is its headquarters, like that, and the recent developments in these organizations. Very interesting topic, if you ask me. and not very big topic also. Whatever mains related topics are there, you skip it, it's okay, move on with it. You can do that in the mains. Just stick to those topics which are going to be asked in the prelims. Okay, so this is what you have to do with respect to Indian economy. So if you want Indian economy material, it is there. The link is there in the description box. If you want class, if you feel that you need some kind of support, the link is there in the description box. Don't be afraid to innovate and try and do these things as quickly as possible. Okay, so along with that, we'll have to also cover current affairs. So current affairs, this we are doing August month. So we have finished first half of August month current affairs. So the next half, 46 page to 90 page of current affairs from August you should be covering. Okay, so this is about 3 hours. So economy about 5 hours, current affairs about 3 hours, and many students were requesting, they want some CSAT targets also. So we have come up with the CSAT target also. So I have come up with the entire topic list like this. Okay, so this is reasoning. We'll be starting today with reasoning. So we will do these one day at a time. Okay, so today's topic CSAT. Maybe if you have time, about 1 hour each day. So many students were requesting that they also want CSAT targets. So for them, I am giving the CSAT targets. So maybe about an hour or hour and a half you can give for CSAT. Okay. So today's topic is syllogism and Venn diagram. So cover those topics. Any standard book like R.S. Agarwal or CSAT books relating to UPSC or KPSC, which is there in the market, you go to Amazon, and from there you can purchase any CSAT book, and then take this chapter and solve the questions. Okay, from that. This is what you can do. I won't be giving any questions as of now from CSAT. Okay, so 25 questions will be 20 questions from economy, 5 questions from current affairs. CSAT we will not be giving as of now. We'll see in the future. Right now the resources are not available for me to do these tests. Anyways, CSAT can be covered every day like this. So another 20-30 days you will be comfortable with CSAT also. Okay, so 5 hours of economy, 3 hours of current affairs, 1 hour for solving the question and reading the answers. Okay, also make sure that you read the answers after solving the questions. Okay, question paper you can solve in half an hour. The other half an hour, read the description. Very, very important. I was going through the descriptions. They are amazing source of information. So if you have not been reading the answer keys, please read it. And also, you all requested me to have questions in Kannada. So I have started the tests even in Kannada. The same questions will be translated to Kannada also. So we are trying to do that. Thank you for motivating me to come up with questions in Kannada. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ motivate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, me and my team were so motivated that ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೂನು we are now providing the Kannada translation. Okay, so thank you so much for that motivation, guys. So this is what you are supposed to do at 8 o'clock. Okay, give the test. Okay, and after that, check the answers. Very, very important. And as usual, if you have any suggestions, if you are benefiting from it, please do comment. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you again tomorrow for yet another exciting 6 a.m. video. Okay, thank you so much. Have a productive day. Thank you so much and have a good day.